In this video, I will be showing you how to use the voice mode in Grok AI website. So let's get started. So first thing, just come inside grok.com, and here we will be having the enter voice mode icon. Just click it and click on allow. Hey Grok, can you hear me?
Yeah, loud and clear. What's up?
As you can see, we got the response from the voice assistant, and here we are having many options. First thing is we can upload any file for it, and if you click on this assistant, we'll be having the multiple voices. You can choose the voice of your choice, has both female and male. And next is the speed. You can even like vary it, and we are having the microphone. And another option that we are having is the personality. By default it will be in the assistant, and we have these many options to choose from. And another thing that I noticed is in the free plan you get like very less voice mode trial. So if you're going to use it for like a longer time, I would recommend you to try and upgrading it to the paid version. Okay, so as it clearly says, talk for longer on voice mode. So if you want to try it for long time, you can try this. Okay, that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.